Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the Play Store, but actually before, just two different disclaimers. The first one, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then be aware, because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can either do it right now, immediately after entering the Google Play Store, or you can simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so now we are in the Google Play Store, so we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's tap on My Apps and Games, and then tap on Manage. Here we have to tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, we've got some updates which are pending, which we can download. Of course, if you want, you can update all of those apps. It's totally up to you, or you can simply choose one or two. So I'll pick Contacts and Digital Wellbeing. So just mark the options and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. So now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.